Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing another Boxycharm unboxing. This is, of course, for the month of March. So I'm super excited about this. I don't know why, but from the time that I received my last box up until now, it kind of felt like a long time. Like for a week or two now, I've been like, when is my Boxycharm box coming? Like, I'm like ready for this, let's go. And it finally came, so I'm very excited to unbox it and see what we got this month. Before we get into all that good stuff, please make sure to give this a huge thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you love makeup or anything that has to do with makeup, then this is the channel for you. Subscribe. But if you want to see my March Boxycharm unboxing for the base box, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, you already know the deal. I have not peeked. I have no freaking clue what is in this box. It is as much of a mystery to me as it is to you, unless you've already opened yours and you know what's in it, and we got the same thing. But you know what I mean. I'm very, very excited to get my hands on this. So I already cut this little slit open, but I didn't peek inside. I'm gonna open this up as usual. The front is just a cute little Boxycharm logo. And then once you open it up, you have the hashtag and the Instagram handle, and it says, "Hello Charmer," very cute. And then when you open it up, on top, it's a pink version of the Boxycharm logo. I just dropped the card. This is super cute and very, very fitting because I'm filming this on St. Patrick's Day weekend, but it has like this cute St. Patrick's Day themed card. I already love it, and I already see that there's some good stuff in here. I see a product that I've been wanting to try, so I'm very anxious. I'm just gonna get into it. So the first product that we have is from Lime Crime. It's the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. I feel like I get an eyeshadow palette in every single box. Like, I can't remember the last box where I didn't get like an eyeshadow product. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like that is a very, very frequent kind of product category for me to get. Anyways, this palette is filled with a rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthly brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. Very cute. And it says it goes for $38. So I would say pretty standard for an eyeshadow. This is actually really, really adorable though. Let me just get it a little closer so you guys can see. And very perfect timing, by the way, for me to be wearing this. I did not do this on purpose, but it matches my shirt. So I'm gonna have to do a little something with this. Let's open this up. I'm a little nervous that this has this like plastic packaging because I just painted my nails and I don't want to ruin them already. Okay. So this is very light. It's like really, really, really lightweight. And then when you open it, oh, okay. So I pictured more shades in here. I don't know. Okay, yeah, so I don't think in the description it says how many shades come in it, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 8 shades. So actually really pretty. I will be 100% honest with you guys though. I feel like the only color in here that's really, well, I'll say two colors in here are really standing out to me, and that's this one, this like really pretty lavendery shade, and then this rich purple shade. The rest of them, just to be totally honest, kind of seem a little bit dull. Like when you look at this like this, you're like, oh yes, this is gonna be a good palette. There's gonna be some bright colors, it's gonna be stunning. And then when you open it, you're just kind of like, not bad, not the most interesting, just to be totally honest. But I'm gonna swatch these off camera and then I will come back and show you what they look like and give you guys the details on what I think. All right guys, I definitely have some thoughts about these. So here is the swatch of all 8 of the shades. So overall, I do think that the shades are really pretty, but when I dipped my fingers in them for the first time, I was expecting them to be buttery because that's what it says in this little description. And to be totally honest, I feel like, obviously since they're different formulations, I felt like the consistency of them Each was different. And with the matte shades, I will say I wouldn't necessarily classify them as buttery. I felt like they were a little bit more on like the scratchier side. Like not necessarily scratchy like it sucks, but I can kind of feel it going in that direction, if that makes sense. Like they're not bad in the slightest, they're really pretty. Just when you touch them, it kind of is like a weird consistency, like just a little bit scratchy. So that's for the mattes. I will say though that these two shades, which I was actually expecting to be very pigmented, those did feel pretty buttery, but came off literally as like nothing. I had to go over and layer them like 3 times and they still weren't really pigmented at all. It's just like a really, I don't want to say patchy because it's not necessarily patchy, but it's not like a consistent glitter. Like there's some spots in there, if you know what I mean. So not my favorite formula for a shimmer. This really pretty purple shade. And then honestly, these last two were just a little dull for me, like I said. They felt okay, nothing really wowed me about it. The next product on our list is the one that I said I've been wanting to try, and that is from Glow Recipe, the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. So it says a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, nice, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and sisa, I don't know what that word is or what that product is. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin, and it goes for $39. I am a huge advocate for Glow Recipe. I have the niacinamide serum, and then I have the watermelon glow mist too, and they have not let me down. I absolutely love both of them. I'm wearing both of them right now. So I've been pretty excited when I saw this came out. I have a couple samples from Sephora of this that I haven't tried yet either, but I've been really wanting to try it. So let's open this up. Feels pretty heavy. And of course the packaging is adorable. This for some reason reminds me of Winnie the Pooh, like the little honey jar. A+++ for packaging. This is so freaking adorable, and it's heavy. Like you could tell this was made with quality. It's glass, but let me just, ooh, this is definitely like a souffle. Look at the consistency of this. Let me try to get up a little closer. Oh my gosh. I honestly don't even want to put this on my face. I want to eat it. So let me just, ooh, this literally feels like banana pudding. Woo! When you dip your finger in here, it literally feels like pudding. Oh my god. I'm just applying on the back of my hand so I can see like what consistency it is. And the back of my hand is very dry, so I'm hoping this gives my hand a little hydration too. But it's very like slippery in a really good way. It feels so lightweight, like it almost feels like I'm putting water on my face, but in like the best possible way. It feels very moisturizing, that I will say, but at the same time, it's extremely lightweight, like water-like consistency. And I really love it right now. It definitely has like a banana smell, and I really like it. And it's subtle, which is super important. I prefer for face products, as far as skincare goes, to not have a smell, but this I could honestly handle because the smell is very subtle, and it's a good smell. So wow, I really like that. I wish you guys could feel the back of my hand right now because it feels really nice, and it's giving my hand a really nice glow too. Like look at this nasty dry hand, and then look at this one, literally glowing. Next on our list, we have Maven Beauty. It's the Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. Can never have too many setting sprays. It says, set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. And it goes for $22. So that literally sounds amazing. let me see what this is all about because I'm about to put it on my face. I honestly am not gonna test and see if it lasts 16 hours because it's like 7 o'clock at night and my makeup is coming off in a few hours. But let's see how it looks on the skin and feels on the skin right now. I already have a bad feeling about this sprayer though because it's one of these, so I feel like I'm gonna get chunks on my face. You guys know what I'm talking about. But let's just test it anyways. Yup, I got the chunks. Definitely spit chunks at me. Can we petition to not allow these sprayers for setting sprays? Because I will gladly start a petition for that. But I do really like how it feels on my face. I will say that, like when I sprayed it on, it felt really, really refreshing and kind of cooling. I don't think it's like claims to be cooling or anything, but that's how it felt and it was really, really nice. Moving on to the next one, it's, oh yes! Oh my God. We got a VISEART product. I love their eyeshadows. It's the Seamless Eye Primer. The Seamless Eye Primer works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear, and it goes for $24. So let's see what this looks like. I love this brand, you guys. I already know I'm gonna love this. So when you see it like this, it kind of looks like a little lip balm. Woo! And then I'm just gonna squeeze this on the back of my hand too. Oops, too much. I'm just blending it into the back of my hand. So it almost feels like an oil, if that makes sense. Like as soon as you apply it, it's like this white-ish kind of color. And then as soon as you start to blend it out, it literally like melts into your skin. So that's really nice. And then after a couple seconds, once it dried down, it definitely feels tacky, which I feel like is super important for eye primers. So far I do really, really like it. I love the consistency. Like these two fingers that I put it on, they feel sticky. So I really, really, really like it. But I'm gonna keep testing this out and playing with it and we'll see what it does for me in the near future. And then the last product that I got is from Seraphine Botanicals. It's the Apple Plus Baume Glow Lip Mask. Sweet. It says boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot plus boost. Guys, somebody made fun of me in my comments not too long ago about how I said this. I know I'm saying it wrong. I know it's not jojoba. I feel like it's pronounced jojoba, but I could be wrong again, so I'm very sorry. Jojoba and rosehip oils that work synergistically to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. I love that because it's still a little bit on the colder side where I live. So my lips have been chapped. It's been a mess. So I need something like this in my life. And it goes for $25. Oh, I feel like I've seen this kind of packaging. Wait, I love this packaging. Look how cute this is. This reminds me of like the Summer Fridays products. That's what this packaging kind of looks like to me because I have the lip balm from Summer Fridays and it looks like this kind of packaging. It's just brown and longer. But let's apply some on the back of my hand again and see what this does for us. All right, let's do a little dot on the back of my hand. Weird, it looks like pink inside here. Hold on, I'm gonna shake this or something because there's like a little pink in there, but all that comes out is like this clear. So I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it or what. No, it's literally just this clear liquid that's coming out. I don't really know if I'm doing it wrong or what, but let's see. It smells good. It smells like apples. and it literally feels like an oil. Like I definitely put too much on my hand, but it literally feels like an oil. It doesn't necessarily feel like a mask to me, but I could definitely see how this would be super hydrating for your lips and prevent like the dead skin on your lips, because it's very oily and it seems like it would be just really freaking hydrating. And I love feeling it. Like I don't want to stop doing this because it actually feels really good, and I'm secretly hoping that it hydrates the back of my crusty hand. So yeah, I definitely need to play around with that more, because right now I like it a lot. And you can see it gave the back of my hand even more of a beautiful glow. This hand is getting all the love today, clearly. But that's it, you guys. That's all 5 products that I got in my March box. And I have to say, I am pretty dang happy with the products that I received. I will say the only 2 products that I'm kind of like, about are the eyeshadow palette and the setting spray. With the setting spray, it's just because of that sprayer, because I know for a fact it's gonna continue spitting chunks out at my face, and that kind of ruins your makeup in certain places a little bit, so I don't like that. But the spray itself felt good, so it's not bad, that's not what I'm saying. And then that eyeshadow palette, you guys already know how I felt about that. It was just kind of like nothing special. I'm not wowed by it, and to be totally honest, I don't see myself really reaching for it much. These other products though, you guys, I'm so excited to be playing with. Like this lip mask, this souffle, I'm literally gonna put this on tonight before bed because I'm so excited to use it. And then the eye primer felt so nice. So overall, I feel like it was definitely a good box. I'm really excited to keep testing these products out, so really excited about that one. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions of these products. So yeah, I think that's literally all I had to say. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you thought about my box for March. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, because I'm curious to hear your thoughts on all of these products. And let me know if you've received your Boxycharm box, what you got in yours, and if we got the same products in our boxes, because I love to hear what you guys got in your boxes. But make sure to comment. Give this a huge thumbs up, like I said in the beginning, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do monthly Boxycharm unboxings, and I do a lot of other makeup reviews, makeup tutorials. I just love talking about makeup. So subscribe, stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.